Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the auto sync feature when you're posting a video on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, auto sync feature automatically syncs the music with your video clips. There is no editing required from your side as all the steps are automated and it saves you time. However, do note, since it is adjusted according to the music you have selected, your video clips will be clipped to fit the music. So let me show you how to do it. On your phone, open the TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a video. Tap on the upload button at the bottom right to upload a video. Auto sync option cannot be used on videos recorded through TikTok's recording screen. So I would recommend using your phone's camera app to record your video first and then save it to your media library or your photo library. Now select your videos from your photo gallery or your photo library, then tap on next. You will then come to this screen where you'll see the sound sync option enabled. This means auto sync is enabled. Music will be playing in the background. However, I have muted the music on my side due to copyright reasons. You can choose different music by tapping on the choices at the bottom, or you can search for music by tapping on more. If you don't like the way it has auto sync, you can tap on adjust clip to adjust your clips. You can long press on any clips to reorder them. To adjust what part of the clip is being shown, just tap on the clip to adjust it. You can also add a new clip into this timeline by tapping on the plus sign. Once you're done, press the done button. Now tap on next at the top right and this will then take you to TikTok's video editing screen. Here, add your effects, text and stickers. Since you have used auto sync option, music option will be disabled. Once you're happy with the edit, go ahead and post it to TikTok. And that is how to use the auto sync feature to edit your videos on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.